everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Akriti. I am an artist. I post art videos on my channel. Today I am going to paint this beautiful painting with you and give reviews about some watercolors and sketchbooks. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video I post. Today we're going to talk about these watercolors. These are Faber-Castell watercolors. It is a set of 24 watercolors and it also comes in the set of 12 watercolors. If you want to try or if you want to begin with watercolors, you can begin with those 12 watercolor sets. And this I got for like 750 rupees according to Indian rupees and $10, almost $10 in US currency I think, and it has 24 shades and each color is of 9 ml. It's a good deal if you get watercolor palette and one eco pigment pen plus watercolor brush too. So it is a easy kit I think to start with the watercolors if you don't have any palette. So I think we should go with this palette so that we can get the basic requirements we need for the watercolors. So I got this watercolor palette plus one eco pigment pen with this kit. So I think there would be brush inside it because these things were outside the box. I got these things outside the box, but I think the rest of the things are inside the box. The beautiful palette with it. The quality of palette is I think good. It's not that bad, but it's good. It's good to get free gifts with the things you buy. Let's see what's inside. So there is one, as I told you, eco pigment pen, Faber-Castell eco pigment pen. I think it's used for outlining things or outlining some details in your work. So this is a brush I get. So this is the brush. This is the whole range of colors. This has got one eco pigment pen. This is good. And one brush over here. I think it's good for watercolor use. Tip is good. So this is a whole range of colors Faber-Castell gives you in 24 shades. Whole I think it's a beautiful range. Now I have got lots of reds and yellows and grays and greens and blues. Think about this range. Tell me about this one in your comments in the comment section. I'm going to talk about a notebook, or you can say a sketchbook. So this is a Bristol artist sketchbook. It has 116 pages, or you can say 58 sheets. It is 160 GSM. It is A5 in size. It is written here for that. All the informations are given here. So it is ideal for pencils, pens, pastels, charcoals, inks and light watercolors. Only light watercolors they have given there. I love these kind of sketchbooks because in this you can draw freely. You can detach the paper from it there, or you can keep it as it is. This one is my last one notebook. The price of this and this are almost same. This was 3 point something dollars and this is like $4, almost $4, not wholly $4. This was almost 300 rupees and this is 260 or something like this, but it has got good quality like that. It is of Hakim's sketchbook and it also is 160 GSM. I have drawn with this. Can't show you the whole thing, but just a whip of things I draw in there. It was good. The colors are sealed also. This is sealed also to avoid it from drying up. so easily. Oh, yep. So this is it. And I think we should draw something similar from old sketchbook, so that we can see the difference between the new one and the old one. I'm thinking to go with this one. This is a beach sea view, I think. Not a beach view, this is sea view. So I will try this one with the new sketchbook and watercolors. So let's see what's the difference between these two. Take this light blue color for the base. I think the layers are coming off well. It is mixing well. You can see that paper is good, but it's not that much grainy as my old one. So if you want more grains on your paper, you have to buy something else, because it is not as much as grainy as the old one. But overall I like it. I like this one till now. Now rest of the things we will see how far it goes. So now I'm taking pale geranium lake color to make some stones. I think the colors are vibrant. You can see that colors are vibrant enough. I've only applied just one layer. This is pale geranium color. So the next one I'm taking is cobalt green. This is my favorite color. Let's see what it comes. I'm doing this painting so I can show you properly how this one and my old one painting comes out. I think the colors are vibrant, but you need to swap more layers over it. I'm using less water. Some people use more water and less color, but I'm using more color and less water because it won't be visible on camera otherwise. sides of the paper, so you cannot use the both sides of this paper also. But I think the overall outcome is good. Compare between these two. So and now I have painted it for the second time, so I was in a rush, but still I like this one because it has different variety of colors than this one. This looks somewhat chalky on my paper. I have applied 3 layers to this one also. This one also has got the 3 layers of water, and this one also has got the 3 layers of water. But I think the color is much more vibrant in this one than this one, so I prefer this one. One most thing that I didn't like in this watercolor set was the absence of Persian blue color. I think Persian blue is darker than ultramarine blue. Ultramarine blue is not that much darker, so you can see this much spot. This is Persian blue I have used in another set, but there is no such darker blue in here because there was missing Persian blue in this one. Rest of the things I like it because this color, this is coral, so I like this coral color. This adds a beauty, this adds a beauty to my drawing. So overall I like the effect of this one. So tell me that you enjoyed my video. So please guys, do share, like, comment on my videos, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't till now, so that I can post more art videos like this and that can be helpful to you and to me too, because we can grow together and we can learn together. So stay connected and stay tuned. Take care.